Some visitors are not allowed in the kitchen, and they are cockroaches, houseflies, fruit flies, kitchen pests, etc. But how to keep them away? Often we talk about general kitchen cleaning tips and ideas, but this time we came up with a video where we will try to find out a few root causes of the kitchen getting dirty and to be inspected for pest infestation on a regular basis. Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. And in today's video, we will dwell on a few simple tips to ensure that our kitchens are always welcoming, neat or clean, hygienic, and the most important thing, pests are under control. Also, this video is in association with Rent-to-Kill PCI. So, let's get started. Storing fruits, especially those which have a sticky sap kind of a liquid on them like papaya or mango, invite houseflies, fruit flies and insects. To keep your kitchen fruit flies and insects free, make sure to keep them covered. We can use this type of mesh cover. This one is foldable, doesn't take much space in our lid drawer and looks good on the countertop. Also, never leave cut fruits outside, even if covered. Bananas ripe very easily, so it is a good idea to buy only what's required. If you are storing tomatoes on kitchen counter, keep checking on them. If some parts are getting rotten, then fruit flies will enter your kitchen within no time. These small steps will always help you to maintain a hygienic kitchen throughout the year. The spills, the grease invite whom? The unwanted visitors like cockroaches or insects in our kitchen. A few mindful things can help in reducing mess and spills and thereby keeping pests under check in our food storage cabinet. After restocking jars and grocery items, pay attention to spills and wipe off immediately. Check on the grocery and see if they have become old and have small bugs or pests in them. They multiply very quickly and infest our food, which causes many health problems. Clean out grocery drawers, masala dabbas regularly so that pests will not be able to find any food to survive in these areas. Make sure to rinse oil cans in hot water once a week. You know, these are very common kitchen cleaning tips, but very often we ignore them and end up having a dirty kitchen easily. If we don't have many cabinet spaces, then we have to utilize the counter space. The corners and back of the jars and appliances which we keep on our kitchen counters are the most susceptible to pests. So watch the corners, move things from corners and clean them frequently. Another secret space is the floor and the wall or tile joints. If you see any holes in the ground or on shelves or on walls, plug them immediately with white cement to prevent the onset of ants and cockroaches. Cockroaches and ants often get attracted and gain access to any kind of food particles, destroy the kitchen hygiene. As a major root cause, I have found two major problem areas, or rather I should say battlegrounds in our kitchen. One, kitchen sink area, and two, waste and garbage bin area. The main thing to remember here is to keep an empty sink and not allow vessels to pile up. I know it's a hard thing to keep up. I fail many times, but I keep trying. Ensure that you remove all food particles before placing them in the sink. As and when they land on the sink, make sure to wash or tackle them, hand wash them or load them in the dishwasher if required. Always use a covered bin for garbage and clean the garbage bin frequently. Garbage bin or kitchen waste attract pests like roaches very easily, and they are so harmful for our health. Let me give you a few examples, like they cause diseases like salmonellosis or dysentery by contaminating surfaces through their saliva and droppings. Many of us follow many homemade remedies, but we still may end up with cockroaches. And in that case, don't hesitate to call the pro. To prevent your kitchen from pests, Rentokil PCI is here to take care of the pest control in your home. Rentokil PCI, known for their pest control services, do a great job in treating the house for pests. My kitchen needed anti-cockroach treatment. As always, they came with a well-qualified professional team and they followed a very systematic approach. First, they inspect to find out the problem areas and hidden spots where the cockroaches tend to hide. After the inspection, they use gel technology and place the gel through a gun nozzle on all shelves, drawers, corners, under the gas cylinder, under the toaster, under the fridge, and everywhere where pests can hide and infest our kitchen. This gel is odorless, doesn't cause any harm to humans, and keeps cockroaches at bay. They place an insect monitoring trap with proper briefing. They will be spraying approved insecticides only inside the drain to tackle cockroaches. After the service, they wipe and sanitize all frequently touched areas. Post-treatment, they will explain the do's and don'ts for prevention of cockroaches. We will be done with signing a service proof, either e-docket or manual docket. Do give Rentokil PCI a try. I am sure you will find them extremely professional and hassle-free. Moisture and hygiene never go hand in hand. Moist towels, surfaces, vessels, sponges, scrubbers, kitchen cloths and wipes all are breeding grounds for all kinds of micro and macroorganisms. I always wash, scrub, sponges and wipes in boiling water with some dish soap, rinse and dry frequently. Definitely make it a practice to wipe dry all vessels before you putting them away inside the cabinet. Never leave wet and wrung towels carelessly on the counters. Not only they will smell and they will also attract insects. I use these dishcloths for messy jobs and it is so easy to boil them when needed to make them germ free. Use a railing or rod like this or tie a rope in your utility area, or whatever you do, just make sure you dry them well. Take a step back and think how we wind up the kitchen. Winding up is often seen as only putting away dishes, spot clean counters and taking out the garbage. There are many aspects to winding up after cooking that will prevent microparticles and other bacteria, fungi and germs from building up. As we all know that food waste, stains or particles in the sink or countertops will attract cockroaches, ants and other pests. Then what will be the solution? Just use a 1-minute rule of thumb to wind up the kitchen in the morning and at night. Once you finish cooking, make sure to wipe container lids, fridge handles, frequently touched cabinet doors. Most of the time, we leave vegetable and food particles unknowingly in these areas. Wipe microwave and mixer grinder very well after each use. These are the feeding grounds for cockroaches. Remove any particle which might be stuck during the usage. Do one thing: see it, wipe it. If you see a stain or spill, just grab the cloth and wipe it off. Remember, dirt invites more dirt and along with them insects and cockroaches march inside your kitchen. Use airtight containers and put leftovers away in the fridge immediately. If left outside, practice closing the vessel with the right lid. Do not leave dirty vessels overnight. This is another very prominent problem which we face in our daily life. When the light goes off, cockroaches start creating havoc mess with the leftover food particles. As a solution, I can say either soak them and place them inside a box inaccessible to pests, or load the dishwasher, or better still, wash and stack. You can put them away next morning also. Let's focus here on the solution rather than thinking more about how big the problem is. And if you follow these tips and wind up kitchen correctly, I'm sure cockroaches and pests will stop entering your kitchen. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and family. A clean kitchen is a motivating kitchen, a welcoming kitchen with pleasant aromas and healthy food. Make sure the heart of your home stays healthy, clean and hygienic. Subscribe to Home #Life for more videos, and you can find us on Instagram and Facebook for more videos, pictures and life updates. Please get vaccinated. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.